My 1 month video challenge starts today. Remember on my last video, I told you guys how hot I was because YouTube is not recommending my video. So I decided to go on 1 month challenge. It is not just all about 1 month challenge, but it is all about the content of my video. Remember, I told you that I was going to strategize. So some of these things that I'm going to talk about, they are the things that will help me to remain consistent on this 1 month challenge that I'm embarking on. The question remains, what do I do to remain consistent? What do I do not to run out of content ideas so as to meet up on daily basis to uploading for this 1 month? What are the things that I have put in place so far to keep me moving on for this 1 month? These are the things that I'm going to discuss with you. So as it is now, I have come out with ideas, tips that will keep me on for this 1 month. Number one is this: I am not going to overthink my videos anymore. Yes, I am not going to overthink my video. You that is in the same shoe with me, just listen, because I know that there are some people that are having the same issue, the same challenges, the same thing that I'm passing through. So number one thing you are going to do, I am going to do is this: I am not going to overthink my video anymore. That is it. What do I mean by not overthinking my video? This means that I am not going to have high expectations about my videos. I am not going to, be worried anymore whether I get views or I do not get views. Overthinking my video is what is making me to be frustrated. It is what is making me to be stuck. It is what is making me to be sad whenever I did not get views. So I have decided not to overthink my videos. I have decided not to have higher expectations, as in, like, not to have sleepless nights about my videos. Worst thing that can happen is this, is that I make a video and I did not get view. For now, no problem. Don't worry. I know it's definitely that if my video did not pick this week, it will pick next week. If it did not pick this month, it will definitely pick next month. That is to say that all the videos that I have been making that I have not been getting views from will definitely start getting views one day. So that is number one thing: no overthinking of my video. Now, the second thing I am going to do is this, is to always pen down my content ideas. When you go through YouTube, go through other social medias, you get inspiration, you get content ideas. What do you do with the content ideas that you get? Don't say, oh, I'm intelligent, I'm smart, I can always remember. No, have a jotter where you can pen down all your content ideas. By so doing, you are not going to run out of content idea, because that is exactly what I am doing already. Starting from my last video till now, I have gotten, if not, in fact, more than 10 content ideas. As I'm getting them, I am penning them down. So that I will not forget anyone. And that is the same thing you should do. Whenever you get content idea, don't even be afraid whether, if you make video on that content, whether people will watch, whether it will go viral, whether it is good idea or not. My dear, make that video. Don't worry whether it will go viral or whether people will watch or whether there are thousands of people that have, that have made video on that idea. Don't bother about that. All you need to do is this: make sure you add value to that idea that is in your head. Add value. Make sure that it is educational, make sure that it is informative, make sure that it has quality. That is your own duty. Don't bother whether people watch it or not. Another thing that I am going to do to keep me relevant on this space, to make sure that I meet up with this 1 month challenge without breaking, without stopping, without loitering, without waiting, is this: I am going to look out for small YouTubers that are in my niche. small YouTubers that we are in the same niche. I am going to subscribe to their channels, watch their videos, watch and look out the things they are doing that I am not doing. I'm going to look out for their videos, watch their videos, subscribe to their channel, and they get content ideas from what they are doing, from their videos. This doesn't mean that I am going to copy them word to word. No, but I am going to, you know, make sure that I watch their videos so as to get ideas from what they are saying. Now, if this small YouTuber is getting views and subscribers from a particular from a video, there is nothing wrong if I should make the same video. There is nothing wrong about that. So this is one way. Another way I can, maintain this 1 month challenge. Another thing that I am going to do is this: I will have it in mind that I'm going to post consistently every day. When you have it in mind that you are posting every day, even though it is a challenge, you have challenged yourself, it will make your brain to always work 247, not to lose sight of what you have in mind, not to lose sight of your challenge. So it is already in my mind that I must post every day, even though that I am on 1 month challenge. These things and more are the things that I am going to do to keep me on this 1 month challenge. And I am sure you that is on this challenge with me, if you do it, you are going to make it. I am going to make it. We will not break out. I am sure that within, on or before this 1 month, we are going to break records. Our own no go be different. Others did and they succeed. You and I, we will do and we will succeed. All right. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, turn on that notification bell for subsequent videos like this. See you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.